Seanchas would encompass local legends, the stories of different places, their names, why they're called what they're called, would encompass genealogy, and all kinds of local, regional, national history. And Seanchas is usually conveyed in a conversational manner. So even the way that I'm speaking to you now, I'll be referencing, different occurrences, different little stories, different things that happened. This is a Seanchas style of speaking. As I'm going into the past, I'm going into stories, but I'm not necessarily sitting down and telling you a story from A to B. I will do that later on, one or two stories, I'll tell a story in that fashion. But that would be scéalaíocht when you particularly go about telling a certain story, where Seanchas is this conversational style. And that's a distinction you get in the Irish language between those two types. You might have heard even in the English language the word Seanachie. It is an Irish language word, but it came into Hiberno English, and I believe it's used in American English now as well. A Seanachie as a storyteller.